get it? Let's turn ya. Let's turn ya. You get it? Hi, buddy. Look. Ooh. Where's your other arm? Let's reach your other arm. He's so cute. Here, get this. Get this. Did you do that? You like your froggy. Here. The froggies. Oh. Are you sliding again? Are you sliding? Huh? Whoa. I think we gotta put a blanket in there still. Here, let's do this. There we go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. What do we got over here? What's that? What's that? Hey, Mason, look up here. Look up there. Let's see if we can get these things to work. So you're supposed to pull on these. See, his butt lights up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you want to go the other way? Okay. I gotta move my camera. Why? Look at that. What is in there? What's in there? What's in there? Oh, you really like that, don't you? Okay, turn this way. Turn this way. Okay, let's show them what this does. What's this do? What's this do? Oh, what's that do? Uh-oh. He found the froggy eyes. He found the froggy eyes. Hi. Hi. How about this? Papa Doos, look at that. Look at this one. Look with my finger. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Turn you back around to where we started. Back to where we started. He loves his frog. He loves his frog. Oh, get him. Get him, Papa Doos. He's fun, huh? Look at this. He tries so hard to grab. How about this one? Do you like that one? Oh, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. He's looking at you. Ooh, it's a busy day. All right, Mason. All right, buddy. Say bye-bye. Mason. Say bye-bye, buggies. Bye-byes.